Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in blockchain tech. Today, we're tackling how to send Madic from Arculus wallet to Gemini in 2025. If you're looking to move your Madic tokens smoothly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any updates since crypto evolves fast. Let's dive in. First off, why send Madic to Gemini? Gemini is a trusted exchange for trading and storing assets, and with 2025 bringing new features, it's a smart move for liquidity or diversification. Before we start, make sure you have the Arculus wallet app installed on your phone or device, a verified Gemini account, and some Madic in your wallet. Oh, and never share your private keys, security first. Step 1. Open the Arculus wallet app and log in using your PIN, biometric, or recovery phrase. Once inside, head to your dashboard and locate your Madic balance. Step 2. Select the Madic token from your list of assets. This will bring up options like send or transfer. Tap on that to proceed. Step 3. Enter the recipient's address. For Gemini, you'll need to get your Gemini deposit address for Madic. Log into your Gemini account on a separate device for safety. Go to the deposit section, select Madic, and copy the provided wallet address. Paste this into the Arculus to field. Step 4. Specify the amount of Madic you want to send. Double check this. It's easy to make a typo. Also, review any network fees. Madic typically uses the Polygon network, so ensure you're selecting that to keep costs low. Step 5. Hit confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll likely need to verify with your wallet's security features, like a second confirmation or biometric scan. Once sent, track the transaction on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan to ensure it's processing. After the transfer, log back into Gemini and check your account. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Your Madic is now on Gemini. A quick tip. In 2025, keep an eye on any regulatory changes or wallet updates that could affect transfers. If you run into issues, reach out to Arculus or Gemini support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below. See you next time.